Very happy. I didn't expect more than 50 subscribers in first 6 days, 6 to 10 days. But more than 500 subscribers we reached. And now currently we have 650 plus subscribers. Okay, 50 subscribers is enough. We do live. Some situations, that's why we don't come on live. No worries. These 10 days we come on live and we give live trades and we do trading. So today the why I am coming live in this time means this is very important. Right now the time is 10:37. At 11:30 the whole in forex market the famous speech is there. This is very important. India have RPI, Europe. India banks means RBI, Europe means ECB, and Japan also BOJ, Bank of Japan, Australian Bank, New Zealand Bank. So come to USA, Fed Bank. Fed is very important. So any update come from Fed gives Jerome Powell because of he is a Fed chairman. So we discuss about Jerome Powell today. The time is 11:37. I close this video 5 minutes and I upload. You come and check this video after 11:30 how the market will go, how the market will turn, how the directions will go. At correct 11:30 p.m. the market in that 1 or 2 minutes the whole richest word good afternoon. He that good afternoon the person Fed chairman will come and they say good afternoon means that good afternoon word the market entire forex market entire all currency exchanges will shake. Some trillions of dollars will shake. That is the power of in this speech. That's why I am explaining you. I am telling you. Okay, come to the point. Today the Fed speech is very important. Power speech is very important because of right now the market conditions and the US dollar and US economy, everything is good. But come to this 1 month situations, a trade war is there. All countries and all means 25% come to China, 200% tax will Trump increases tax to up to 200%. In India, 25% only exports or imports. Okay, in these situations, the today at 5 p.m. Today at 5 p.m. the interest rates cuts in China. Okay, the interest rates cuts means already last 2 weeks back I explained you in Europe ECB bank interest rates cuts. If the interest rates cuts means it attracts investors. But the main thing current economy current situations yeah, didn't support or didn't increase their country economy. In future the economy will grow up because of investors will come. If the interest rates cuts means less amount they give money, means interest means less interest they give money to investors. So it attracts investors. If the investors will come means a lot of business will do in that country. So current economy status will down. In future it will grow. Okay, so today in my decision in what I am thinking is, you see the dollar index now. Actually these 5 days I didn't upload any